Good day, everyone. I am Kim Santos, and I am a seasoned cybersecurity professional for almost, I think, 7+ years, but it is indicated 6+ years. So I hope you don't mind. So yeah, it's just my portfolio where my threat analyzer resides, but I will not be discussing that for today. I will be discussing the threat analyzer, which is my flagship project as of the moment. So this is the features that I have been implementing. So let's go ahead and launch the threat analyzer, or just navigate it here. So if you are a first time user and you navigate to my or visited my website, it would be there will be a prompt like this, a threat analyzer. Actually, this is my dog. I just edited to make it threat analyzer. Okay, but that's not the topic. Sorry about that. So my threat analyzer can do the reputation, SIEM query generator, IOC investigation, expert of investigation results, which we usually do in a security operations center environment. So I think without further ado, let's go to the configure the API keys. As you can see, there are four threat intelligence or API key that we need to provide. Question: what if I don't have a key? That's not an issue. You can just navigate it here, and there will be a registration section. I can advise that you just use the continue with Google, so it's easy for you to get your API without having the labor to input these fields or personal information. So once you finish that, you can just do the same with WHOIS API layer URLScan. Question number 2: what if I don't want to use this threat intelligence? I mean, all open the threat intelligence. That is not an issue. You can just go ahead and choose what you want and what you think is will beneficial to your environment or to your use case. But right now, since this is a demonstration, I would be using those for threat intelligence. So just save keys and voila. If there are green indicators on those names, I believe that is already online. So let's go ahead and have some testing. Let me get the IOC sample or indicator camera. So right now we have this single and bulk IOC, but for the sake or the proper demonstration, we just go ahead and go to single IOC. For the type, you can just do auto detect. That's my advice to you, since you don't have to save you from changing it from time to time, and also it will be beneficial when you are doing a bulk IOC analysis, which we are going to demonstrate it later again. So yeah. So after a successful scan from our VirusTotal, you can go ahead and check what are the essential fields that you need from your investigation. Most oftentimes, I just do the malicious all engines results. If I want something more, or I want to dig more, I just go to here and get the raw JSON data. I think it will be the same with the AbuseIPDB. Oftentimes, I just check with the abuse confidence score if that is abusive and less reported, and most especially if that is related to Tor or has been observed to connect from the dark web. So that are the essential key fields that I'm looking. Oftentimes at the bottom, you can you can see the JSON data if you want. So let's go to the WHOIS. So since this is an IP address, it will not be translated to WHOIS, or maybe it's some a picture that I need to fix. So go to the URLScan. It's the same. Then yeah, that's it for the single IOC and the combined result. I believe this is the most important section from my threat analysis, since you don't have to gather all those fields. I did it for you guys. You just have to navigate it here, and then there will be a summary of the detection: AbuseIPDB, URLScan, and VOIS. So okay, so let's try another one, which is something, this one, a domain, of course, single IOC. Let's go back. Let's wait for a while. It will take a while because some API set an API limiter, of course, for some security purposes. This VirusTotal use only a pre subscription, so there would be a limitation of 4 requests per minute only. Then let's go back. It's just the same. So the only difference is because this is a URL or domain, there is a WHOIS and a URLScan output. So this is helpful if you are if you are investigating phishing related use cases. So let's go to combine analysis. As you can see, there are no positive signals to retain, but there is a medium or suspicious behavior and calculation of risk. So let's try another one. For this one, as you can see, there is an onion, which indicates a dark web domain or proxy relaying or something like that. Let's go and try this one. So it is malicious. There are 3 malicious, harmless. So not oftentimes we get a future rich result from this IP. I think AbuseIPDB doesn't support onion. We can cross check it here. Onion TLD. Say yes. It don't resolve or support. So it's just natural that it don't preview those. So WHOIS, I think WHOIS doesn't do that too. So URLScan, this is the most important. Your current plan does not include. So yeah, right now I'm using just a pre for the sake of the demonstration, but if you have an enterprise API, it will parse something related to this. So combined analysis, right now we just have VirusTotal, which is very helpful to us. So since it's just one, there we have a vertical suspicious. But if you and the company doesn't really support Onion, I suggest you block those TLD from your CASB, proxy, firewall, and security tech stack. So let's go ahead and do the bulk IOC, which is often happen from security operations center. So as you can see, we have here multiple indicator: the domain, the onion, IP address, domain again, and hash. So let's try. I hope it works, because I'm pretty ashamed if that happens. So yeah, so while it is working, I actually created this threat analyzer using GitHub Cloudflare for the worker backend, and do some Git, VS Code, JavaScript, HTTP, and I think that's it. And something AI to help me resolve some issues. So yeah, so it will take a while because we are getting a multiple result from multiple threat intelligence. Bear with me, sorry about that. I have to improve that. Right now the picture that I have been using for the scan is parallel. I'm trying to research. So okay, here it is. We have this a privacy network. Okay, so a future reach. Good thing about this one is you can always check when that if you are checking use case related to the phishing. This will be helpful. Sometimes the business email compromise or social engineer or phishing related attacker are usually created less than 30 days or 6 months. So this is a good indicator that one is trying to do some funny things to the organization. So right now we don't have something related to the others, but yeah, I think that's it. So let's go to the copy others. Let's go to the where copy to the result. So you can just open the notepad and add it here, but I actually created export CSV2. If you want those, it will be really helpful if you are using ServiceNow, Jira, you can add this one. So it's ready for an escalation. The CSV result will be look like this one. So yeah, you just have to make it pretty for the client side. I will not be in depth with this. Just go ahead and try this one. Okay, the good thing, the last, I mean, if you are a SOC analyst and only alone in the ship and want to save this result, you can use my notes here. You can easily paste the result from the bulk scan, and also choose which time zone you are your client residing. So example, your client residing on Australia, Sydney, Melbourne, something like that, you can just press Control 3. And if you are new and want something guide, or you don't want to input or type from the start, you can also add a template by choosing which template you are analyzing, I mean alert you are analyzing. Go ahead and do the, let's try this data security, the DLP insert. So yeah, as you can see, we have tried multiple here. It's actually a good one, since oftentimes because of the workload we forget some essential fields. So let's say that kim@gmail.com has been what you call the birthday certificate, something like that, PII, file type PDF, I mean. So classification is PII, transfer method, publicly available, sorry about the typo, publicly available email service, which is Gmail. Destination is kim@gmail.com. Policy violated, related to PII or data exfiltration. If you did a containment action, okay, you just yes, created some ticket, so something like that. So you are the analyst, let's say you are Victor Malapas. Yeah, so it's an easy one. You can just go ahead and paste this one to your case management, if, like ServiceNow and others. So yeah, I think if you have questions that I have not discussed from this video, you can go ahead and click the packs where oftentimes I have not updated. So yeah, this is me, Kim Santos. I can easily go ahead and ask me about the tools if you are having trouble or something is not working. So yeah, I hope you find my threat analyzer helpful, and wishing you a good luck in your career. See ya.